Single crochet is go through the chain or the stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn, and pull through. Let's do it again. Go through, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn, pull through, 2. This yarn is kind of soft. It is 100% polyester, and there is 503 yards in this game. So single crochets along this row, and remember, it's go through the stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn, and pull through 2. So this is the starting and the foundation of our baby blanket that we're doing in the 3 basic stitches. And I have a knot that is not good. I'm going to grab my scissors. I'm going to cut that out and retie it. I do it a little bit longer so that I can hide the ends. So when I get to the end, I'm going to chain 1 and turn. I'm getting closer. I got snow last night, and when I'm filming this, it's end of April of 23. So being in Wyoming, I get the crappy weather often. Last year it was June before I could plant my flowers, my vegetables. So I just live with it. Okay, now I'm going to start hiding my end because that's where I tied it. So I'm going to go through, make sure the 2 pieces are down. And I should probably end this with green as well, since I had to do the knot. But we'll see when we get there. So this stitch and then one more will finish off this row. So we're going to chain or do the stitch, chain one, turn. Need to pull more out. And I'm going to start again, just single crochets. And I think I'm going to do 5 rows of each. So continue with this pattern. Remember, chain one at the end and turn. And let's do 5 rows. Okay, I'll be back in a minute